Hi guys and welcome back. I'm making an angel ornament. Hope you like it. I'm using an old book, ornaments, angel hair or golden hair, or wool, ribbon, colors of your choice, lace, and some decor for the crown. You also need hot glue gun, and something sharp to cut. Here we go. Remove the cover of the book and divide the book in 3 sections. 2 equal sections for the wings and the center for the robe or the body of the angel. Start with the center. Take the first page and fold it in half and again in half to form a flat cone. Use your nails or a used credit card to flatten the page. Fold the triangle and tuck it under. Do this for all the pages. Till the robe or the body of the angel is ready. It will look like this. For the wings, repeat the same but upside down, starting from the bottom of the page. Fold it upwards in half and again in half. Only this time, do not tuck in the triangle you see. Repeat for all the pages. And do the same for the other wing. Glue a piece of cardboard to the bottom to keep it steady. Glue a golden ornament for the head and attach a piece of lace for the collar of the robe. With the help of hot glue, attach angel's hair or golden hair on top. You can use wool if you don't have angel's hair. Stick golden stars on a piece of lace and use as a crown. That's it. Hope you try it out for yourselves. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.